VideoStar is a free app with many free effects. It also has effects and features that can be purchased to enhance the app. All features and effects can be tested before purchasing them. When trying one, tap the Power Pack icon to see a short demo of the effect. Or tap the Buy button to purchase the Power Pack, which includes that effect. You can unlock all effects and features by purchasing a Pro subscription. To purchase a subscription or to view all Power Packs, go to the VideoStar store. When purchasing a subscription, choose the duration. At the end of that duration, it will auto-renew. The Year Pro is the best value. To change the type of subscription or to turn off the auto-renew, tap Manage. Any change in the subscription's duration will begin at the end of your existing pass. To purchase an individual Power Pack, tap Buy Packs. Select one and tap Buy. When you purchase individual Power Packs, they are yours forever. Remember, all purchases are linked to your Apple ID. So if you get a new device, make sure to download VideoStar with the same Apple ID. Tap the Store button, then reload to activate your purchases.